Max, have you seen the library book about dinosaurs? No, I thought you put it on the shelf in your room. I did, but it's not there now. I've looked everywhere. Maybe Mom moved it while cleaning?
What are you two whispering about?
Mom, we can't find the library book. It's due tomorrow.
The big red one with the T-Rex on the cover?
Yes! We took it to the park yesterday to read under the tree. Oh no, we left it there, didn't we?
You left it at the park?
On the bench? I think so. I'm so sorry, Mom. We completely forgot. We were in a hurry to get back for dinner.
All right, let's not panic. We'll go back to the park and search right now.
But what if someone already took it?
Then we'll deal with that. Let's go.
It's not on the bench, Mom. I don't see it near the swings either. What are we going to do? The library will be so angry.
We have to go to the library and tell them the truth. That's the right thing.
But they'll make us pay for a new book. I spent all my allowance on that comic. This is all my fault. I was the one who suggested we read outside.
It's nobody's fault. But we need to be responsible. Come on. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Excuse me? We lost a book. It's called Dinosaur World.
Oh, that's a popular one. Let me check our return bin.
Are we in big trouble?
Let me look at the computer. Ah, wait a minute. Someone found it and returned it this morning.
Really?
Yes, a kind lady found it on a park bench and dropped it off.
You're very lucky. We were so worried. Thank you so much. We promise to be more careful next time.
And we are very sorry for the trouble. It's okay. Accidents happen. I'm just glad you came in to tell me honestly.
I'm so glad we told the truth. Me too. Honesty really is the best policy.
And now you know to always double-check where you leave your things.
Let's go home and read it together, on the couch. Deal! And no more park reading until we have a bag to carry it in.